T-Mobile Home Internet error CEL02 indicates a cellular registration failure, meaning your gateway can't connect to T-Mobile's network. This is usually a SIM card or connectivity issue. First, power cycle your T-Mobile Home Internet gateway by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Then, check your signal strength via the T-Mobile app. A weak signal below -100 dBm can cause this error. Ensure your gateway is in a location with good cellular reception. If a simple restart doesn't fix it, proceed to more advanced troubleshooting. If restarting doesn't work, use the T-Mobile app's AI-powered diagnostic tool. This tool can detect SIM registration issues and suggest real-time fixes. If the app suggests it, ensure your SIM card is properly seated. Firmware updates often resolve CEL002, so ensure your gateway is running the latest version. If issues persist, contact T-Mobile support. They may need to re-register your SIM remotely or provide a replacement. In areas with persistent weak signal, T-Mobile may offer a free signal booster. If none of these steps work, a technician visit might be necessary to inspect the gateway or external antenna.